I've started series like mindful living, slow living. Then I've started a series of celebrating me. Today I would start a series of unlearnings or deconditioning. As we grow up, we have been conditioned with a lot of things. Likewise, I have also been conditioned with a lot of things, which is like messages that I have, developed from my environment. And as I lead my life, I see they are not helpful. A lot of our decisions are taken based on those conditionings and learnings only. But then we find it out, or I found it out, that no, that is not what I resonate with, that is not what I want. So today I would just share something which is an unlearning, and it is personal to me. Anyone else does not have to relate with this. I would just share my own. I always felt this thing that, so growing up, I always felt this thing that the path that is hard is a worthwhile path, because you learn more, and what you learn more is only the good thing. What is the hard part is a good path. If the path is easy, it brings you ease, it brings you comfort, then it's not a good path. Now, maybe because of my family, of the conditionings, the environment I grew up, or messages from my parents, I kind of got this learning. But now I realize, and as a result of this, I always chose the path which is hard, where, because I felt, oh, I would learn more here, and even if it led me to a lot of pain, lot of discomfort, I felt that is only the good path, that is the path that I should choose. But with time, I have realized that, it's not, I don't resonate with anymore. It is okay to choose a path that is easy path. It is okay to choose a path that is very comfortable. It is okay to choose a path that makes your nervous system feel safe, at ease, at more comfort. And comfort, choosing a path of comfort, is not a shame. You don't have to choose things that where you are always proving others how strong you are. You don't have to do that. It's okay to choose simple paths, easy paths, comfortable paths, and it's okay even if you learn less with that. So I just want to choose that path, more path in life, which is just easy for me, which is more comfortable for me, which is not like too much of hard, too much of learning just because I'm getting to learn. I just want to decondition myself from this, where I'm always not always on the go, where I'm always uncomfortable. I don't want that anymore. I want to choose paths which is easy, which puts myself at ease, that it is okay, it is not shameful, that I don't have to do things which are like proof worthy. It's just okay to choose things that is just be, that is just comfortable, that is simple, that is ease.